Hi, welcome guys. This is to continue our question 4, linear programming. Okay, so as I told before, you need for question to solve question C, we need to draw the objective function. See that they give you a statement there. If the objective function line is not drawn, then provide 0 mark. So it is very important for us to draw the objective function lah. So this video I'm going to teach you how to draw that. Okay, now let's go through with the question. A factory want to hire new employee for the position of supervisor and operator. Money amounting to 32,000 has been allocated for the monthly salary payment of employee. Okay, the salary of the supervisor and an operator is 600 and 400 per month. Okay, that's quite low. And from this we can actually write the inequalities. Okay, the first inequality should be 600x plus 400y, and it must be less than or equal to, because we got allocation, we cannot go more than the allocation, that is the maximum amount, 32,000. Okay, and then the number of operator is y, must exceed the number of supervisor x, by 10 people or more. Okay, so that means your y exceed means minus x, by 10 people or more, that means more than or equals to 10. Your second inequality. And third one, the number of supervisor x should be at least 10%. At least is more than or equals to 10% is 0.1 of the number of operator y. Okay, so these are the inequalities we want to see. Alright, so all the inequalities is correct lah. It's just another form of way to write all those inequalities given here. Okay, ours is just follow the numbers that they give us. It doesn't matter. Okay, alright. So now you need to sketch this on the graph. 2 cm to 5 people on x-axis. Oh, okay. 5 people on x-axis, 10 people on y-axis. Okay, let's make use of this graph. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and draw all the axis there. So our graph is ready with the labeled axis 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, and then 10, 20, 30 until I put 90 lah. Okay, and then I need to label the axis. This is your y, supervisor, and x, which is your operator. Okay, right. Sorry, supervisor should be x, operator should be y lah. So the third one, correct. Supervisor first. Yeah, correct. Alright, so let's do the table to draw the graph. Okay, question B. 600x, 400y. Always use the method PLS for your y. Make sure your y is positive on your left hand side and also single. Okay, make sure. So here the 600x plus 400y less than or equals to 32,000. Okay, and then y is less than or equals to 32,000 minus 600x divided by 400. Okay, so let us substitute suitable value that will be in the range. Okay, so let's say I ganti x with 0. Easy one. So ganti x 0. So I will get 80 lah. And another point, maybe x2 saya ambil kejap. X until 35. So maybe if I take 30, what will happen? Is it in the range? Let me check first. If I substitute 30, I get 35 as my answer. So let's draw this. 0, 80, 30, 35. So 0, 80 is here. 30, 35. 30 and 35 is here. Alright. So let's join them. Okay, and then I label it as y equals to or 600x plus 400y, 32,000. So 600x plus 400y equals to 32,000. Put equal for the naming the line. Okay, first line is settled. Second line is y minus x greater than or equals to 10. So y greater than or equals to 10 plus x. Okay, so x, y. If you put x 0, y will be 10. And if you put y 0, x can be negative 10. No need, no, not working like that. Okay, maybe I take 35, the maximum, it will be 45. Okay, 0, 10 and 35, 45. So 0, 10 is here, 35 and 45 is here. Okay, right, let's combine that line. Okay, this is y minus x equals to 10. Okay, third one. Third one is x greater than or equal to 0.1 y. See, your y is on your right hand side. Change it to your left hand side. So the symbol will change. Later you must shade less than, not greater than. Beware of that. So y is equals to x over 0.1. So if I take x0, y should be 0. If I take x10, 10 divide 0.1, 100 lah. Oh, okay. So ours is until 90 lah. I think I can manage 0, 0 and 10, 100 lah. Okay, 0, 0 and 10, 100. 0, 0 and 10, 400. 100 is here lah. Okay, here. Where is your 10? Our 10 is here. 10 and 100 is here. Okay. Alright, so let's draw this. So I use computer, so easy lah to draw. Dia tepi sangat. Kejap. Okay, so this one is y is equals to 0.1 over x over 0.1, right? X over 0.1. So when you want to shade, look at the tables inequality lah, the one you modified. Okay, this one will give you much better thing. So this one less than, only this one also less than, only the y minus x is more than. So this one more than, so above, less than, and also less than. So we know the shaded region is here. And then try to shade it. Okay, so this is your shaded region R. Okay, now let us answer the question. Question C. The maximum number of employee that can be hired by the factory. Find the maximum number of employee lah. Employee maksudnya you kena pilih supervisor campur dengan operator kot. Okay. By the factory, if the number of supervisor is 10% of the supervisor ni apa? Y Tadi dia bagi 10% juga kan? The number of supervisor should be at least 10% of operator. Supervisor is your X. Your X is equals to 10%. So 0.1Y. Jadi kita kena cari maksimum yang kita boleh ambil for 0.1Y. This line lah. So jadi kita kena tengok line ni dulu. X equal to 0.1Y kan? Kat mana X equal to 0.1Y? This line. Okay, this line. I can highlight, but in the exam don't do that. This line Okay, jadi this line, kamu tengok. Ini yang dia cakap 0.1 kan? X2 0.1Y kan? Jadi di sini maksimum dia dekat mana? Kita kena tengok. Maksimum dia dekat sini kan? Jadi kita kena tengok sana lah. Jadi kita tengok. Line ni dia maksimum dekat sini. Betul tak? Dekat sini. So try to read the coordinate. This is 5. Your X 6. And then 7. Kan? 7 kan? So 7 and 70 lah. So what is the total employee? Plus X plus Y. 77 lah jawapan dia. Tapi dia bagi 76 kan? Wrong tu. 77 Okay, so the maximum point at X equals to 0.1Y is 7 and 70 kan? Jadi total employee 70 is your supervisor, sorry, operator, and 7 supervisor. Jadi 77 lah jawapan dia. Okay, yang ketiga, yang kedua, the maximum amount overtime allowance per hour to be paid for the factory by the factory if the factory will pay an overtime allowance 8 ringgit for operator, 16 ringgit for the supervisor. Jadi dia punya objective function adalah K equals to operator is 8 ringgit, supervisor is 16. So operator is your X, right? So 8X plus 16Y lah. Betul tak? Okay. Lepas tu macam mana kita nak draw benda ni dekat graph? Very easy. Okay. Kamu dapat macam ni kan? Okay. Try to simplify the function lah. Okay. This is shortcut method. Okay. Kamu tengok. 8X plus 16Y. Kita boleh simplify into X plus 2Y kan. X plus 2Y. Okay. Jadi, kita nak guna what I'm calling this is finding intercept method lah. Kita akan gunakan intercept method. X intercept, Y intercept. Okay. Kamu tengok. Kamu nak guna this equation pun boleh, this equation pun boleh. Up to you lah. You want to take 8 and 16 also can, or you simplify into 1 and 2 also can. Kamu tengok, dekat X tu ada 8 kan? Dekat X ada 8, maksudnya Y intercept kamu ambil 8. If you are using the first equation. For the second equation, if you are using 16Y, kamu tengok 16Y is X intercept. Okay, ambil 16 tu dekat X intercept. Kalau kamu ambil the second equation, okay, maksudnya your coefficient of X, dekat sini apa dia? 1 kan? 1X kan? Akan menjadi Y intercept. Your coefficient of Y, dia akan jadi X intercept. Okay, plot this. X intercept 2, Y intercept 1. Too small. So I take the 16, 8 lah. Lagi senang. X intercept 16, Y intercept 8. Y intercept is 8 is here. X intercept 6 is here. 8 and 6. Sorry, 8 and 16 kan? Macam tak logik kan? Okay, kejap. We see first the equation. Okay, let me see. Oh, okay. I think I'm wrong. Supervisor is X, operator yang Y. Okay. Supervisor is X, operator is Y. Okay. Pelik gila lah dia bagi. Okay, kejap. We restart. Okay. In the question, they start with supervisor then operator. Dekat sini dia bagi operator dulu. Alamak, dia buat tricky macam ni ke? Okay. Tengok tengok betul-betul. Supervisor is X, operator is Y. Maksudnya dekat sini mana dia? Dia bagi operator is 8, supervisor is 16 lah. Supervisor is 6x, 16x, operator is Y. So jadi kamu punya apa kita panggil, dia punya objective function adalah 16x plus 8y lah. Baru betul. Okay, jadi saya cakap apa? Simplify the if I simplify this, it will become very small. We don't want that. So kamu tengok 16x dengan 18y kan. Okay, jadi saya cakap apa tadi? Your coefficient of your x is 16 kan? Dia akan jadi y intercept. Y intercept is 16. Your coefficient of y is x intercept, which is 8. Jadi kita plot this point. X intercept is 8, y intercept is 16. Okay, y intercept is 16. 16 is here. 16 and 8 kan? Okay, jadi kamu plot je. 16 is here. This one is 8. 9, 8. 16 and 8. Okay. Now you need to draw like this in a dotted line. Make sure it's a dotted line. Okay, like this lah. And then kita nak gerak ruler ni dekat satu bucu demi satu bucu lah. You tengok ada bucu dekat sini kan. You just place like you place your ruler here. This one you wajib kena lukis untuk start from tahun ni you place your ruler like this, and then you move around to the corners. Okay, and then get their coordinates lah. That will be your maximum. Cara kita nak cari maximum lah. Okay, so what you can do. Okay, wait. Let me erase this. Can I erase Hayya. Kejap. Mengarut lah ini. Okay, jom. Okay, sekarang tengok So you need to label in all your vertices lah. Semua bucu kamu tu kena ada this dotted line. Okay, tengok Okay. You like your ruler, you just move like this. You need to move to the all corner. You just show lah. Just show. Okay. Okay. And then you move the ruler to here. Tu dia punya point semua lah. Betul tak? Okay. Now you draw your objective function successfully. You draw this one alone. Son, see my mouse. Is already the objective function. Okay. Itulah objective function. Tak ada apa. Okay. You draw. The key point here is kamu tulis the objective function. Coefficient of x dia jadi x intercept. Coefficient of y dia akan jadi y intercept. Tengoklah kalau dia bagi objective function tu terlalu besar value dia, you can simplify them. Okay? Right. So now, let's read the question. They want the maximum amount of overtime allowance. So, jadi kita kena kira maximum point dululah. Jadi dekat graph ni, kita dah ada one of the point we already label, 770. Kita cuba label yang ni pula. Dekat sini maximum, nampak tak dia intersect kan dekat sini. Maximum lah tu. Okay. Right. When we read this, what is the point? I'm getting 28. 1, 2, 1, 2. And the y should be, I'm getting 38. But the question tell us 37, right? They never put anything. Okay. Right. So this is the marking scheme. 28, 37 it seems. But then I'm not getting 37. Okay, as you can see my graph, I'm not getting 37. Rather I'm getting 28. Okay, how to make sure that what is the intersection point? Is my intersection point is correct or not? Okay, you can use your straight line thing you learn in your form 3. When two lines intersect kan, kita boleh buat simultaneous, betul tak? Okay, contoh 600x plus 400y is equals to 32,000 kan? And then it intersect with which line? Negative x plus y equals to 10. Negative x plus y equals to 10. Try to key in your calculator and dapatkan x value and y value. Kamu akan dapat x 28 and y 38. Maksudnya kita dapat 38 tu betul lah. Yang 37 tu salah. Okay, I did it mathematically. In simultaneous equation, yeah, I'm getting 38. So, kita kena tengoklah ganti yang mana lebih sesuai lah. 770, try ganti and see. Okay. If I get 7 and 70, and one more is 28, 38, right? Try to ganti in both place. Okay, 16 times 7 plus 8 times 70. This one I'm getting 672. Another one, 28, 38, 28 multi, and then I ganti 38. This one 752. So this should be more. Okay, so 752 is should be the answer. And what answer they gave us? 744 is a wrong answer then. Okay, even though it's a marking scheme, but wrong is wrong. So, so you kena tunjuk maximum point right there. Maximum point is 28, 38. And then cuba ganti. And then you should be getting 752 ringgit. Okay, and this part all you can actually erase unnecessary. Okay, right, so that's how you answer the question.